So moving on to the pattern number 2, second pattern. I'm just showing the second pattern in a downside, downtrending or a downside momentum auction. The last pattern I showed in a bullish pattern. Same rule applies for the bearish or a down move. In this pattern, I am showing a downside move momentum, and the same rule applies for the upside momentum also. So now closely look at this. From morning, okay, or I can say from the levels of 30,100, Bank Nifty has came down to 29,600. A 500 point neat, clear, clean downside move in Bank Nifty. Once this downside move got developed, what we got is a sideways auction which is getting developed. So in this pattern, there are few rules which you need to follow. I just remove this balanced mark which I have done. So once 500 point a clean down move got developed, now when stock again went into a balanced mode. Very important, when this kind of strong down move getting developed, we need to plan only a short side trade. Don't ever think of planning a buy side trade, because a 500 points downside move in Bank Nifty on an intraday basis is not a small deal. Okay, in a intraday basis, yes, Bank Nifty also have fallen 2000 point, 2500 point on intraday. Yes, it has fallen. That is not a surprise. But look at the time. From morning 10:30, or I can say precisely 10:20 till 11:20. Look at the time span. In just 1 hour, Bank Nifty has fallen 500 points. So in just 1 hour, Bank Nifty falling 500 points is not a small deal. So once price came down to 500 points, a down move in just 1 hour, when this sideways move getting developed, we need to plan only a short side trade. Don't even think of planning a buy side trade. Clear? So now how and what process we need to look at here is very important. So look at this. Once this down move has stopped here, and from this point stock price went up and again came down. So this is the first attempt, failed from buyers and sellers who are pushed the stock price downside. They are again coming in, and again price came up. Remember, look at this now closely. First up move and price came down. This is the first rejection made from sellers. Again price is moving up. Look at this. Again sellers coming in and price is again moving down. What we are developing, this is the eye, and we are getting a lower eye formation. Lower eye formation. This is the eye. You will remember during the trend section I have discussed, lower eye is for the sellers only. Okay, we are getting a lower eye formation, and this was the first point where which from lower levels buyers rejected the price, and this was the first point where which sellers have rejected the price. And again when stock price came down, this is the second point where sellers have rejected the price, and this is the second point where buyers have came in again. This is the second, and this is the first point. What I want is, in this down, after completing down move, okay, let price spend in a balanced mode. Okay, let price spend. Don't immediately rush and plan for a short side trade. Wait, let's price spend. We need to monitor this auction. If you have not taken any short side trade in this down move, now wait for the pattern to get emerged or the pattern to get developed. Okay, if this is the kind of attempt which is getting developed, 2 attempts made from buyers, this is 1 and 2 attempts made from sellers. Okay, and stock price is in a balanced mode. Okay, it is in a balanced mode. Now how to draw the balance range? Which is closer now? Just look which is closer. This is the one attempt. This is the buyer's attempt and this is the seller's attempt. Okay, already this was the attempt number 1 from the sellers. Already the stock trend is on towards downside and we have 2 attempts, so we need to mark the closest. Minimum we need 2 attempts and the closest one. This is the higher band and this is the attempt number 1 and this is the attempt number 2. Which is closest? This is the closest range. So this will be the balanced range for this downtrending auction. Let me mark it down, this range. Just remember the closest one, we need minimum 2 attempts. So we had the attempt number 1, attempt number 2 from the sellers where price rejected. This was the attempt number 1 and number 2 from downside buyers rejected. More important for us is the sellers, because the stock price Bank Nifty has came down 500 points in just a time span of 1 hour. Clear? Now wait and see what is getting developed. Remember, this was the first attempt and this is the second attempt. 2 attempts has been done from sellers, but still only 1 attempt from the buyers in this balanced market. Yes, you can ask, this is the second attempt, but it is not inside this balance. So inside this balance we have only 1 attempt from the buyers. When price is making a breakout, wait. Don't immediately plan a short side trade. We need 2 attempts both on the upside and on the downside inside this balanced range. To find out balanced range, we have seen 2 attempts, but now inside this balanced range we need 2 rejection. Okay, price went outside this range and came down. So this is the first rejection and price rejected from this level. The second rejection, buyers have only 1 when price is coming down. There was no second rejection, still actively participating. So we will not immediately plan a short side trade. What happened? Price again reversed back. Now it is approaching the seller's rejection zone. Okay, this is the seller's rejection zone. I'm just extending it. If these buyers who are moving this price were stronger, they should have moved up. And remember, if they have moved the stock price higher, the sellers will again come and dominate the stock towards the down move again, because these sellers are so stronger. Okay, what happened? I'm just marking only this extended range. Price went up, again came down, went up and again came down. Clear? Now we have already 2 attempts and the buyers who have tried to move the auction towards upside have failed. If buyers failed, then the sellers who were from morning, they were strong, they will dominate. They will move the stock price further downside. And what happened? They have moved the stock price drastically down from 29,750 to 29,250. 1 more 500 downside move. Already 500 points. 1 more continuous down move of 500 points. This is what the pattern. And how to enter, when to enter short side trade, I will let you know the trade set. During the trade setup, I will let you know the stop loss, target, when to enter and how to enter. Okay, just focus on the pattern. Completely read the auction behind this pattern. I have shown how to mark the balance zone. Price is strongly coming down. Sellers are so strong. When price is moving up, again rejection, again moving up and again rejection. When the third attempt went beyond the first rejection eye, this is the eye of the first rejection candle. When price went beyond the first rejection, buyers failed to move the stock price higher and price came down. Again a small upside move from buyers. Again buyers failed. If buyers are failing continuously, already the stock is in a downtrend. Sellers are stronger. Again, now when buyers are failing, only chance left over for the stock is to sellers to dominate, that is to move stock price further down. That is what exactly has taken place here. Stock price has cleanly washed out. Already 500 points down move, already the Bank Nifty was 500 points down and on one more 500 point. And before the market close, it has went further downside. Okay, let me show you this. Before the market closed, look at this. So this was the last candle of the day. After this down move, again price was in a sideways, again and 100 to 150 point further down move came in. So that is almost 1200 points Bank Nifty was down for the day. Clear? So, but when this pattern getting developed, during this pattern develop, what we got, one attempt from buyer, two attempt, and this was a third bigger attempt when compared to the previous two attempt. Don't plan for a buy trade. Never do this mistake. This is what most retail traders, when I say retail traders, traders like us who have no knowledge about trading or candlesticks or chart, they will, looking at this up move, they will plan a buy side trade. What happened? Price shooted down fastly. All these buyers, stop losses got triggered. Everyone end up being a loser. Clear? Wait for the pattern to get developed. Don't be in an hurry to do a wrong trading decisions. Clear?